Cool.
It's kind of interesting, kind of futuristic. Oh, speaking of new cars, how about this one? USPS unveils its next generation mail truck. And I want to know what you think about this because these things are about to hit the streets. There's going to be, I don't know, many thousands of these things on the roads.
Yeah.
And it's a very different look to it. Now, apparently, it's all thought out. All right. I'm going to tell you what was important here. They have a really old fleet that needs to be replaced, all gasoline powered, and all lacking air conditioning and features you would want to have. This new model adds the electric option. At least a certain portion of these are potentially going to be electric. It gets more cargo space. It gets air conditioning, and it gets this really huge front windshield so that the driver can better see pedestrians and things like pets and things like this. So it's actually functional. I know you think it looks funny. I can tell from your expression that you think it looks funny, but it serves a purpose well.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us what's going on. All right.
No, I saw this before a couple of days ago. People were saying that it's like a Pixar inspired.
Yeah, it's cute.
Car. Yeah, it's very cute.
It looks cute.
I like it. If it's efficient, if it's just used for utility and it looks, cute, yeah, why not?
Why not, right? It has to be in your neighborhood.
Yeah.
Why not be cute of all the things it can be?
The big windshield is really useful, I guess.
I mean, I can imagine if you're working for the Postal Service, you spend a lot of time in that seat right there.
Yeah.
And so to have that increased visibility, no, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely not going to be, it's not the type of vehicle that, it's not inspiring. It's not an inspirational look to it.
Sure. Yeah.
It's just strictly function. But I don't know that you could have done it in such a way. That's a funny look. Yeah. That is very Pixar, that look right there. That's crazy that there's going to be thousands and thousands that look just like that. Anyway, it was a big ordeal getting this thing figured out. It's going to have other safety features, including 360-degree view through cameras, helping for even better visibility, as well as front and rear collision avoidance systems. Like, these are all things that if I'm working for the Postal Service, I'm really happy to have these things on the vehicle I'm in all the time. So anyway, congrats to the company. The company, by the way, is named Oshkosh, which is kind of perfect for this design as well.